go camping right now. The view is so pretty and we're in the car, so we're about to arrive. I'm really excited because I love camping. Yep. We're gonna stay in a tent with our family. The place that we will be camping at is in the Mountain Hood area. Mountain Hood is a snow mountain and is very famous in Oregon. Yep. We arrived! Yay! Mount Hood Village. We've arrived at Mount Hood Village, Vacation Cottages RV Resort. This is fun. We just finished building the tent. Let me give you a little tour inside. So here's the door. We're going to open it. Here, let's go in. Come on. It is very wide in here, guys. Let's take a look inside the tent. Very comfy. 6 people are gonna sleep in here. That is our whole family. So here's where I'm going to be sleeping. I love it. Guys, and we also have 3 windows right here. Here, let me show you one of them. There's a window. There's a window. There's also windows over here. And over on that side.
You guys, this is my princess blanket, and this is my princess pillow. I'm gonna lay down. So comfy. So warm and cozy. But that's so funny. Jumping on the bed.
What's Jeremiah?
Jim.
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 What's Rebecca?
Red.
We're making a squirrel trap.
One, 2, 3, go! 1, 2. Wow, that's good job. Jump, 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 jump.
At night, we are gathering at an open field in front of a very big screen for a movie. There's also popcorn.
Starting to talk yourself, did ya? Yes, Captain. Come.
How's it going, mate?
Nice try, Pango, but it's hopeless. I'm a gunner.
I'd better practice a bit before we venture out there.
No need to yell, Mac. I mean, Tuesday. I'm right here.
There you are, pretty bird.
I am at a place called Trillium Lake. This is a very beautiful place, guys. And you could see that people are rowing their boats and swimming.
You can also see Mount Hood from here. Hey guys, we're about to go hiking to the creek.
So we're going right now?
Yep, we're going on the trail.
Uh-huh. We're going on the trail. There's like leaves everywhere. Look at the pretty view.
There are lots and lots of trees. We are surrounded by trees. This is a very strange tree with a lot of moss. Hey guys, so they say that this is a black bear habitat.
And there may be some cougars.
Yeah,
That's
what I
creepy.
thought.
Guys, we go on hiking and we can meet all the animals.
Okay, Rebecca, I have a question for you. What would you do if you met a black bear or a cougar?
I would run. Run and run. Hi, hi, hi,
This is a lot of walking. It's like we're walking in a jungle. We've been walking for like almost 15 minutes.
We came to the stream, guys. Look at the pretty water. It's so nice.
The water is so cool and it smells like fish. This is the underwater viewing chamber.
Wait, how did they put all this stuff here without the water?
Yeah, so cute. Look at the baby fish.
We had so much fun at camp, and we played out there for like hours. I miss the camp.
Hey guys, we're done with the camp, so now we're leaving the camp. We had so much fun. The view was so great. I love the area. So next year, we are going to go camping